told myself na I want to, so I do hope you will be able to visit our booth number 4 there at the left side, and I'm very sure that you would love our Japanese cheesecake along with gram carbs. So really, it's low carb and it's a healthy decision if you want to indulge a dessert. Kumbaga, dessert is really not needed in low carb, but if you indulge, syempre, we make sure that's the low carb. So, yun nga, when I decided doing low carb and creating this masterpiece, I told myself na I want to share this thing to those low carbers or local practitioners na they want something na close to the real thing, and masasabi nga nila na the dessert is something that is not boring. So I do hope you will be able to visit our booth number 4 there at the left side, and I'm very sure that you would love our Japanese cheesecake along with all the other products. That's all. Thank you so much and have a great morning.
Hello, good morning. Okay, I'm Lito from Health Max. There's a saying, health is wealth. And Health Max is providing better and good health for Filipinos. And Health Max Care is a supplement that is low carb and keto friendly due to its zero sugar and non-GMO and natural ingredients. So yung Health Max po natin ay jam-pack po ang ingredients niya na meron po siyang 8 berries and mangosteen. So very powerful po yung product po natin, and later magde-demo po tayo doon sa booth natin, and mamaya tatawag ako ng isang volunteer para ipakita sa inyo how good and powerful po yung product po natin. So yung Health Max capsule, available po yan sa lahat ng Mercury Drugstore. Available din po siya sa Lazada and Shopee. So, FDA approved po siya, halal approved. So, very friendly po to. Bata, matanda, may sakit o wala, pwede pong uminom ang bawat isa po sa atin. Yan. And of course, meron din po tayong Health Max na half lotion. So, yung half lotion po natin, it's a lotion form. Pero ang kaibahan lang ho nito, once na pinahid nyo, sa part ng body natin, especially pag may mga muscle pain tayo or back pain, ang effect po niyan, within a few seconds, mararamdaman nyo po na mawawala yung pain. Yan. And sa pulikat, pag pinupulikat kayo, dahil sa malamig or mababa ang potassium mo ninyo, isang pahid lang, less than 5 or 10 seconds, mawawala po yung pulikat ninyo. So, ganun kaganda po yung ating half lotion. So, meron din po tayo sa booth kung may masasakit ang balikat ninyo o masakit yung mga katawan ho natin. Lapit lang kayo sa booth natin at magde-demo po kami doon para makita nyo po yung aming sinasabi. Ang presyo po nito sa Mercury o sa Lazada, 799 pesos. So, kayang-kaya po natin itong bilhin. 100 milligrams po yon. At yung 30 ml po natin ay 349 pesos. At hindi lang ho yun, maganda rin po ito sa mga nagda-dry ang skin po natin. Okay? So, yan, subukan po natin yung ating half lotion po. FDA approved din po yan. Available sa Lazada, Shopee, and sa Mercury Drugstore. And lastly, yung ating Max Sabon, yung soap. Okay? So, lahat ng product po natin ay natural. Ang advantage ng Max Sabon po natin, sa lahat ng skin problem like eczema, skin asthma, psoriasis, Galis Curicong, ayan po, napaka-effective po yan. In a few days, makikita nyo po yung effect po niya pag ginamit po ninyo. And sa mga nakakalbo, napapanot o falling hair, in less than 1 month, mag-i-stop na po yung falling hair po ninyo. And proven na po yan, nasubukan na po ng maraming nating mga kababayan na ginamit yung ating Max Sabon. So merong klase yung dalawa, isang blue and color pink. At ang price po niya ay is 299 pesos. Pero available lang ho yan sa Lazada and Shopee. And hopefully, by next year, available na rin po yan sa Mercury po. So yan, ganyan kabilis, ganyan kaganda po ang ating product. And isupport natin lahat ng mga Philippine product po para matulungan ho natin yung ating mga manggagawa po. So, salamat ng marami. Kaya kung gusto nyong makita yung sinasabi naming demo na sa skin problem or mga muscle pain, punta lang ho kayo sa booth namin dito sa exit or dito sa entrance side na to. So, antayin ho namin kayo. And meron tayong promo. For every purchase nyo ng mga product, meron pong libreng 2 capsule at magde-demo po kami doon mismo sa aming booth. So, salamat ng marami and God bless you all.
Namayat po ako at mas naging and Tita Jay at sa lahat ng influencers, maraming salamat po. Until one day, the pandemic hit. Tayo 2 years ago. So, sino po ba dito yung mga naging plantitos at plantitas during the lockdown period nung nag-pandemic? Di ba? There you go. So, nung sa pagkain naman po, nagkaroon po tayo ng food trend tulad ng sushi bake, egg drop sandwich, ube cheese pandesal, dalgona coffee. Naalala niyo po ba yun? So, nung time na yun, sobrang parang pakiramdam ko na parang hindi ko sila makain. Kasi nga po sila high carb. Habang yung mga kaibigan ko, enjoy na enjoy. So, ang ginawa ko, gumawa po ako ng sarili kong version ng sushi bake using keto-friendly ingredients. Tulad ng, there you go. Yan po yung una po namin ginawang sushi bake and ube cheese pandesal using cauliflower rice and almond coconut flour for the bread. Yan. There you go. So, nung time na yon, pakiramdam ko baka hindi lang po ako yung low carber na gustong kumain ng mga yon. So, ang ginawa ko, sinubukan kong gumawa ng Facebook page at baka pwedeng ibenta online. So, nagbenta po ako online sa Imus Cavite. And natawa ako kasi ang dami po palang nagkikita sa Cavite. So, pakiramdam ko kahit pa paano, nakatulong po ako sa low carb community po natin. So, nagtuloy-tuloy lang po ako magbenta. Monday, kinailangan ko pong pumunta sa airport. So I'm from Imus, Cavite. Medyo excited ako kasi pupunta po ako ng Manila. Feeling ko, marami pong keto and low carb merchants. So meron po akong nakita online. Yung isa, for pre-order. Di ba? Sino nakaka-relate doon yung may cut-off tapos for delivery on Friday? Di ba? And yung isa naman, pastries. Pastries lang. Bread. Bread lang. Meals lang. So kinailangan kong bumili sa kanilang lahat para lang may maiuwi ako sa Imus, Cavite para sa stocks ko. Doon ko na-realize na bakit walang isang keto store na kumpleto. Nandun yung pastries, yung breads, even keto essentials. So yung page na ginawa ko, dinagdagan ko po yung menu namin. Dinagdagan ko ng mga paborito kong pagkain tulad ng spaghetti using almond pasta. And then, from Monday to Friday, yung operations ni Keto Mojo, ginawa ko pong Monday to Sunday para everyday open. Ayan. And then, natawa ko minsan kasi pakiramdam ko, ayan, siya si Mojo. Ito si Mojo. Ito po yung bahay po namin nung nagsisimula po. And then, kayo din po ba nagbabaon ng hard-boiled egg sa mall? Di ba? Ako din ganun. Kasi sobrang takot po akong magutom as a low carber. Natawa yung mga guard kasi nakita nila yung bag ko. Pag nag-entrance, di ba, chine-check po nila? Nakita nila ang daming itlog. And then ako din po yung low carber na suki sa samgyupsal. Diba? Pork, beef, plain, na may salt and pepper, at naghuhubad ng fried chicken. Para kahit papano, mawala yung high carbs po sa chicken, di ba? At para hindi ako magutom. Yan. So, sa ngayon, ang sarap pong sabihin po sa lahat na si Keto Mojo ay meron na pong physical store sa Imus, Cavite at meron na rin po sa Sampaloc, Manila. Ayan. Kasi pakiramdam ko, nung nagsasamgyupsal ako o kaya naguhubad ng chicken, bakit walang dine-in sa low carbers, di ba? So, feeling ko deserve natin mag-dine-in. Kaya ginawa namin po si Keto Mojo, open every day with dine-in experience. Yan. At ang goal po ni Keto Mojo in the future is mapalapit po yung pagkain namin and yung service po namin all over the Philippines para naman po ma-experience po ng iba yung tinatawag po naming Keto Mojo experience. Ayan, so meron po kaming booth sa labas. If gusto niyo po matikman yung spaghetti, lasagna, pansit gisado, meron po doon sa Keto Mojo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Up next, let's check out Keto Zone.
Hello po, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Zonito Tamase. Ang pangalan po ng brand ko ay Keto Zone. Kita niyo po ba? Zonito. Keto Zone. Yan. Tumiming lang po siya. Ako po ay 61 years old. Ang tawag po sa akin ay inventor. Bakit po inventor? Familiar po ba kayo sa malunggay pandesal? Patingin nga ng kamay kung nakatikim na kayo ng pandesal. Ayan. So, kilala nyo na po kung sino nag-invent sa malunggay pandesal. Ako po yun. Yan. I started Malunggay Pandesal 15 years ago. At ang sabi nila, nakakatawa daw ako kasi kailangan ko pang lagyan ng pandesal. Ang malunggay yung pandesal. Sabi ko, kailangan pag kumain tayo, kailangan nutritious. Bakit tayo nagkakasakit? Kasi kulang sa nutrition. So, lahat ng iniisip ko, kailangan lagyan ng malunggay. So, ako po si malunggay person. So, nag-invent po ako ng isa pang product. It's called M2 Tea Drink. Sino po ba nakatikim na ng M2 Tea Drink? Meron po ba? Ay, wala. 15 years na po si M2. Available po siya sa lahat ng supermarkets at saka drugstores. Pag nakita po ninyo M2, ako po ang nag-imbento ng M2. Yeah. So ano po ba yung M2? M2 is malunggay, okra, luya. Ang sabi po nila, brown sugar po yung ginagamit ko. Paano naman yung low carb at ayaw ng sugar? Sabi ko, since inventor ako, ang gagawin ko, imbentohin ko. So ginawa ko, pinag-aralan ko, yung M2 na maging M2 Lite. So if you have time, our booth is in Keto Zone. Please taste the M2 Stevia. Kasi po, sobrang masarap inumin at very nutritious. Meron pa po ako isang kwento. Alam niyo po ba yung Sans Rival? Sino po nakatikim ng Sans Rival? Yon. Alam niyo po ba kung anong ingredients ng Sans Rival? Sino po nakakaalam ng ingredients ng Sans Rival? 2 lang po yun. At 3. 3 ingredients lang po yun. Itlog na puti, yung egg yolk, at saka egg white. Butter, and sugar. Sabi ko, yung tita ko po, siya po si Dominic Torrevillas. Siya po ang famous na editor ng Panorama. And she was also the Philippine Star columnist. Siya po ay gumagawa ng Sans Rival para sa lahat ng presidente ng Pilipinas. Kasi po, sila, alam nila kung ano yung lasa. 16 years old po ako noon. Sabi ng tita ko, tulungan mo ako dito sa kusina. Ikaw ang mag-bake. Tapos, 24 hours ako nagbe-bake ng Sans Rival. Nung nagbayad na yung customer niya, nandun ako sa tita ko. Sabi ko, asan po yung allowance ko? Sabi ng tita ko, pinapakain kita, pinapapunta ka sa school, alam mo na recipe. So walang allowance. Ay, naisip ko, nung lumalaki ako, marunong akong magluto ng Sans Rival. Nung nagkaroon ngayon ng keto, sabi ko, paano ko kaya maging keto yung Sans Rival? Ang laman ng Sans Rival, asukal. Alam niyo po, ginawa ko kasi nga inventor ako. I took so much eggs. Talagang inulit-ulit ko siya hanggang ma-perfect ko. And finally, I got the perfect one. So sinerve po siya at hindi po ako pagsasabi sa inyo na yun po ay talagang deep in my heart. Ginawa ko po siya and I'm able to share. Yung tita ko po, namatay po siya during pandemic. And that is what's remaining. Yung pangalan niya po ay Dominic Torrevillas. At the same time, ang pinangalan ko na sa Sans Rival, Dominic Sans Rival. So if you have time, please visit and enjoy Keto Zone products. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, mga ka-low carb. Grabe, ang daming tao. So by the way, I'm Gracia po of Kusina ni Gracia. So share ko lang po sa inyo yung low carb journey ko kung paano ako nag-start and kung paano nag-start yung Kusina ni Gracia. So nag-start po ako last 2019 sa low carb journey ko kasi kakapanganak ko lang. So napakaganda kasi sobrang effective ng low carb kasi mabilis siyang good health siya at the same time, mabilis bumaba yung timbang natin. Then, after po nun, 2020 pandemic, na-stop ako sa work, doon ko po na-discover yung Kusina ni Gracia. Kasi lahat ng mga friends ko, nagtitinda na sila online. So ako naman naisip ko, kailangan ko mag-isip ko ano yung kakaiba na pwede natin i-sell online. And at that time, naka-low carb po ako. Naisipan kong ibenta yung mga meals na ako mismo yung gumagawa. Okay, tapos yun po, naka-discover po tayo ng low carb kakanin. Kasi yung mami ko din po, yung nanay ko, diabetic din po siya. So, nag-discover ako, gumawa ako ng low-carb meals like suman, kakanin, bibingka, leche plan, and maha blanca. So, at the same time, para makakuha po tayo ng, makakain tayo ng mga guilt-free, gumawa rin ako ng mga favorite ng mga Pinoy like pizza, pasta, burgers. So, yan. Kompleto po kami. At the same time, meron po tayong mga breads. So, as of now, mga low carb, meron po kami 3 branches. Open po siya dine-in, take-out. So, we have Quezon City, Taguig, and Cavite branch po. And by next year po, open na din po kami for franchising. So, maglalagay na rin po kami sa mga malls. So, yan po. If may time po kayo, yung booth po namin, nasa ano lang po, nasa labas, booth number 1 po. So, mamimigay po kami ng mga gift certificates, free low-carb meal plan na pwede nyo na siya magamit by next week. Pwede rin po siya transferable. So, meron din po kami mga meal plan. Pwede po siya for 1 meal a day, full meal, and TMAD po. So, kompleto po kami. Visit niyo lang po yung booth namin, booth number 1 po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Christina ni Gracia. Up next, let's check out Chapes.
Hello, good morning everyone. We are the owners of Chapes. Thank you. I am Jay Pestaño and this is my wife, Cherise. So, just want to give you lang a quick trivia or background. So, bakit Chapes ang aming name? Actually, Chapes is name talaga ni Mrs. So, Cherise and our surname is Pestaño. So, kinumbine ko lang siya. Cha and Pes. So, that's Chapes. So, sabi ko nga dapat Japes kasi ako naman nag-isip ng branding. So, well, our company started last July 2020 nung pandemic. We're a very young company. It's only been 3 years since we are in the market. And we really started an online selling lang po, mga resellers, distributors. And then we're very happy kasi within the first 2 months ng aming online business, actually we generated almost around 1.1 million sales. So doon ko nakita na, thank you very much po. So, doon ko po nakita na, may opportunity pala kami dito. And then eventually, after 8 months, that was June 2021, we started our first ever branch sa SM North EDSA. So, 2 years, ito na po, meron na po kaming almost 12 branches here in Metro Manila. Ang pinakamalayo po namin is Robinsons, Santiago, Isabela. So kung may mga taga-Isabela rito, meron po tayong branch doon. And then this October, we will open sa Market Taguig and sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. And of course, what differentiates our products po, makikita nyo naman si Chapes, talagang meron kaming SGS certificate para po maipakita sa aming customers and consumers na yung aming products are tested, are laboratory tested. And we are now also FDA registered. And well, basically, we started lang po talaga sa cakes. But now, meron na kaming donuts, meron na kaming ice cream. So by the grace of God, dumadami na po yung aming mga products. And of course, syempre, dito sa aking misis po, siya po talaga yung aming master baker. Ayan. And we're also glad din that of course, ang ating diet Doktora Grace, accepted our invitation na siya yung aming maging brand ambassadress. So, later po, or pag nadaan kayo sa EDSA Guadalupe, meron pong LED billboard si Doktora doon, So, running na po siya ngayon. Baka po gusto ninyo po siyang makita. So, Our advocacy po, no? Our advocacy talaga is to promote health and safe products to every Filipinos. And our target, no? Ang target po namin for the past year, for the upcoming years, is to penetrate more provinces. So by next year, we're targeting to go to Cebu, to Visayas, and of course, more parts pa ng Luzon, in Naga. Yan po yung aming mga plan. We really wanted Shapes to be visible in the whole Philippines, no. So, are very pleased that you are here. And of course, meron din po kami mga promo. Visit lang po kayo sa aming booth, sa number 8. And then, of course, meron din pala kaming meron din kaming picture ni Doktora. May talagang signature niya yun, hindi po siya printed. Pinirmahan talaga ni Doktora yun. So, if you purchase our products, makakakuha po kayo ng free merchandising kit only from, nagaling po kay Doktora Grace. So again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I do hope na this lifestyle, no, ito pong keto and low carb, this is a change of lifestyle. And ang advocacy rin talaga namin is to help the regular Filipino people to be aware, no? Magkaroon sila ng alternative diet program. Uy, okay pala mag-low carb and okay mag-keto. So with our company, and of course, kasama rin yung aming mga aming kasama sa industry, no? Yan, yung mga makikita niyo po, nasa labas po sila. Basically, our advocacy talaga is to help Filipino people na maging healthy, no? So, meron kang message? Medyo mahihain aking asawa. So maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik niyo sa aming company, Shapes Keto Cakes. Thank you very much po lahat. Okay.
To NLCD 2023.
Hello, good afternoon or good morning. Basta ang importante, good day for everybody here at the Philinvestin for the National Low Carb Day 2023.
Yes, kami nga pala ang Team Badong, si Mrs. B or Mrs. Barbara, and then ako naman si Dodong Gala, and we are here for Sweet Best Sweetener. Kami po ang isa sa kanilang mga brand ambassador para sa ating low carb community.
Yes, opo. We have been doing low carb for years now. Ako po actually, I started low carb 2018. And my only goal was to lose weight. Although alam ko, meron akong mga ibang sakit noon. Pero yun talagang losing weight yung aking major reason ba't ko ito nagawa. And kwento ko na, diretso ko na.
Game.
Hindi po kasi talaga ako marunong magluto before. So, ang ginagawa ko lang talaga is puro prito-prito, ganyan. Pero eventually, I learned how to cook, how to bake. And syempre, pagka nagluluto tayo or nagbe-bake tayo, we want to achieve yung parang usual na kinakain natin nung high carb tayo. Kasi naniniwala ako, eating is an experience of the senses. So, hindi lang dapat matuwa ka sa lasa, dapat yung itsura niya is parang the same, yung feel niya sa dila is the same. So, yun po talaga yung yung gusto kong i-achieve, and na-achieve ko yung mga pagkain na parang regular na high carb or regular na nakasanayan natin with the use of Sweet Best sweeteners. Ayun.
So sa akin naman, paano ba ako natulungan ni Sweet Best sa aking low carb lifestyle, yung everyday natin na na gawi sa buhay with using Sweet Best. So dahil nga ako accidental accidental baker, accidental chef, accidental cook. So parang nung nag-low carb ako, ang dami ko nang in-experiment na na recipe. So sa mga follower ko, for sure alam nyo kung paano nag-start yung page ko, kung ano yung mga sinishare ko na recipe. Dati nag-start lang ako sa mga basic meal. Ngayon nag-umpisa na rin ako mag-post ng mga baking recipes, and every month meron kaming episode with Sweet Best Lifestyle Studio. Doon tinuturo namin yung mga low-carb recipes na pwede nyong gamitan.
Yes,
ng
nagla-live po
Sweet
kami.
Best Sweetener.
Nagla-live
Bakit nga ba
po
namin
kami doon.
pinili si Sweet Best? Kasi ito lang yung sweetener na zero carb, zero dextrose, and zero maltodextrin yung kanyang ingredients. Kaya safe na safe siya sa ating mga low-carber and keto practitioner.
Yes, tama po. And the best thing po, mas nagiging madali yung pagluluto natin or pag-convert natin ng recipe na high carb into low carb when we use Sweet Best sweeteners.
Ayun. Sa time naman na to, tawagin natin si Sir Jermaine para ibigay sa inyo yung mga physical stores or locations kung saan pwede mabibili si Sweet Best. Sir Jermaine.
Hi, good morning everyone. Sweet Best is available online and in Shopee and Lazada. We also have Sweet Best sa mga leading supermarkets nationwide, Robinsons, Shopwise, The Marketplace, SM, and also sa mga baking supply stores like Baking Home Depot, Chocolate Lover, All About Baking, Gabino's Baking Essentials.
Yun. In short, available na siya sa mga leading supermarket natin nationwide. Okay? So meron kaming konting games lang para sa inyong na andito. So bring me games lang. Tatlo ang magiging winner. So bring me a sweetener na hawak nyo ngayon na hindi Sweet Best. First three naman na pupunta sa harap, magiging winner. Dito po. Kailangan po hindi Sweet Best brand. Dito lang po sa harap. Dito po sa harap. Huwag pong mahihiya. Kailangan po hindi Sweet Best brand. Ayun. Kaya namin kayo bibigyan itong Sweet Best na sweetener para ma-experience nyo din yung sinasabi naming benefits ng Sweet Best. Ayun, equal kay ma'am. And lastly, sino po nauna sa inyong dalawa? Ayun. Yan, last two na lang po, last two. Ma'am, nauna po. Ayun. Yun, doon po nagtatapos ang portion for Sweet Best. And later on, abangan nyo po 2:30 hanggang 3 p.m. Meron pong surprise guest si Sweet Best sa kanilang booth. Si Enzo Pineda and Michelle Vito, yung kanilang celebrity ambassadress for the brand.
Yun po, bali we invite you, may meet and greet po sila dyan sa labas. Pwede po tayo magpa-picture with Enzo and Michelle.
And lastly, abangan nyo po ulit yung episode namin this October. I-announce na lang namin sa aming Facebook page para makapag-share ulit kami ng panibagong low-carb recipe gamit ang Sweet Best sweetener. That's all po. Thank you.
Yes. See you po mamaya, 4 o'clock. We will be doing cooking demo later.
Ayun, yun nga pala. Meron pa kaming portion mamaya ni Mrs. B. Mag-share kami ng recipe para sa inyo. So abangan nyo po yun and see you all mamaya.
Bye! Enjoy po!
Hello, good afternoon. Apologies, my name is Jeannie. I'm the founder and chief product creator of Just Go Low Carb. Now, our company was created because of a very special reason. And this is because I almost died because of diabetes. So I'm one of those people who has been 20 years diabetic, and everything that comes with diabetes po, yung nabubulag, I almost got blind, I was put almost in a coma, and yung mga sugat na hindi nag-heal and all that. So when somebody introduced to me the low-carb diet, I decided it's time to change my life, and that's why I created this company po kasi na-realize ko when I shifted to the low-carb diet that I don't need medications. Now, I'm not a doctor, but it worked for me na when I just changed my lifestyle, my eating plan, my meals, it all became,
nag-heal po yung body ko. And 3 years na po na insulin-free. So, yes, by God's grace. And unfortunately, I realized na hindi lang pala food, stress. And right now, just go low carb is stressing me out. Kaya nga po nalate ako umakyat. Pero no, but very thankful for those who really enjoy our products. We create these products for you because we want you to enjoy healthier alternatives to the food you love. Kasi syempre, who doesn't want to eat a muffin again, right? Who doesn't want to eat cookies again? And that doesn't taste like cardboard. So I hope you can try our products. Later po, we'll be giving 10% discounts at the end of siguro by 2 hours before the end of the day. Yun po. So remember, just go low carb for your lifestyle and you won't go wrong. And you will live healthier, happier, and longer. Okay. God bless you all po.
Thank you.
I'm Dom. I represent the brand Naturals Ultimate Sugar Replacement. So why are we called the Ultimate Sugar Replacement? That's because we are 0 carbs, 0 calories, plant-based, and vegan-friendly. And all of that comes with us being tasting and baking just like sugar. So, of course, we try our best talaga to stay healthy, to keep off sweets. But what is life without these sweet pleasures? If we keep on limiting ourselves on our cravings, we're also not living life to the fullest, no? So that's why with our brand Naturals Ultimate Sugar Replacement, we want to help you out on your low carb and keto journey through our 0 carb, 0 calorie sugar replacements, so that you can still satisfy all your cravings and your sweet tooth and still enjoy life. So actually, Naturals has already been around for a while now. And all our products, whether it's our Naturals Stevia or Naturals Monk Fruit, these have all been certified by paleo and keto experts in the US so that we can fully certify that our products are indeed keto-friendly. And with that, our products actually tick all the boxes that your diet possibly would need. So that means whether it's vegan, whether it's a vegan diet that you follow or a plant-based diet or just low carb in general, you can be ensured that our products will give you the best and still taste like normal or usual sugar. And with that, I just want to tell you that we have our booth over there, number 18 for Naturals. So stop by if you can. We have some exciting freebies and discounts for all of you. And all our products are actually available on Shopee, Lazada, or major supermarkets nationwide. And with that, we just want to say thank you so much. We're so happy to be here. Happy National Low Carb Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello po, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Hindi po ako mag-English ngayon. I am representing po ng PepD. So we can offer po kami ng mga special trail mix na nuts, berries, and everything po. Tapos meron po tayong mga offer na voucher, good for 3 days, today and tomorrow and after po siya. So may 50 pesos discount, 20 pesos discount, 100 pesos discount. So visit lang po kayo dito sa side namin. Then we can offer a lot po na mga pwede nating mabilhin. Thank you po.
Thank you so much to Pepsi. Up next, here is Perfect Match. Spread the good without the guilt.
Hello. Hello! Good morning, good afternoon almost to everyone. I'm Ann Saldana, so I'm from Perfect Match Low Carb Selections. And of course, I'm here to talk about the journey of Perfect Match. But before I do, okay, next slide muna ako. I can feel that this is going to be a good day, no? Bakit po kaya? Dito pala. OM! GCash. Let's make it the feel more upbeat ngayon because we're going to have a contest. And ang premyo po natin is actually 1,000 worth of GCash if you answer our diet jokes. And of course, nandito si Coach Hernan, or also known as Dodong Gala, to actually choose the winner of 1,000 GCash. And itong, of course, 1,000 GCash, you can choose to buy any of the products here at National Low Carb Day. Ayan. Okay, ready ka na, Coach Hernan, to choose?
Sige, game na.
Okay. First question.
Ma'am.
Teka lang, wala pang tanong, sir.
Ay, kikilalanin muna natin si ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Pangalan po?
Telma Go.
Oh, Ma'am Telma, ang blank ay sumasarap kapag ikaw ang kapeling. Ano pong sagot? O sir, ano po yun?
Kape.
Kape. Wow, congratulations! You've won 1,000 pesos worth of GCash. Punta lang po kayo mamaya sa Perfect Match Low Carb booth to claim your prize.
Okay.
Sir, pili ka naman daw from others na mag-raise ng hand. Of course, if you're interested to get some coffee products, you can get it from Perfect Match Low Carb.
Sige, dito
We
tayo
also
sa
have espresso spread.
General admission.
Yes.
Pangalan po, ma'am?
Grace. Grace natin.
Okay. Later, sir. Okay. Okay. Question number 2. Baliwala ang exercise. Kung panay ka naman, extra.
Rice.
Sino po?
Ako.
Rice. Yan. Okay.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, yes. Nanalo ka po ng 1,000 pesos worth of GCash. Okay.
Next na po ba, ma'am?
Mamaya na, yung next
excited
question.
ako eh.
Wala po tayong wala po tayong high carb rice, but in Perfect Match Low Carb Selections, we have low carb rice, we have the dry shirataki rice, and also the wet rice. And now we also have our fried rice style rice, the shirataki konjac. So if you're interested, you can go also to our Perfect Match booth. Okay, so I'd like to give a little bit of introduction first about who I am. So para po makilala nyo naman po kung sino ako and the journey that I've taken with Perfect Match Low Carb Selections. I'm Ann Saldana, as I've mentioned, and I am a fur mom to 7 bull mastiff. No? So I'm very proud of that. Whenever I do my presentations, I always share that I'm a mom to 7 bull mastiffs. I'm also a fitness and a mental health enthusiast, and more. I'll tell you more about my journey later. And I'm also a CEO for a fintech company. That's why may joke yung mga staff ko, from blazer to palaman maker. No? Sa umaga naka-blazer, sa gabi gumagawa ng palaman. Gumagawa ng peanut butter. Because I'm also the creator and the owner of Perfect Match Low Carb Selections with now more than 200 low carb products in the market. Yan po. Okay, and this is what I'm so proud to share most of the time, no? I am a former diabetic. No? I like to use the word former diabetic. And because of that, I have a story to tell. No? So this is really where the journey of Perfect Match Low Carb Selections really started po. You have seen po kanina in the picture, no? Nakita po natin sa picture, I am a fitness and mental health enthusiast. And even though in this picture, it looks like as if, I'm really doing a lot of things in my health. It seems like I'm at the perfect health right now. But my life, or most of my lifetime, has never been this way, no? And I'll tell you why. I have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. I used to take 76 units of insulin every day. I had 12 medicines. No, I was taking 12 medicines every day po yan. I had liver fibrosis T3. So yung mga nakakaalam po, yung liver fibrosis T3, after T3, ang susunod na po niyan is liver cirrhosis, di ba po? So kailangan na daw natin ng liver transplant. And when I checked my doctor, sabi ko, Doc, bakit gano'n? Hindi naman po ako umiinom. But because I was diabetic, so yun po, yung naging result sa akin, no? I used to weigh 230 pounds, and I had an unstable angina. What is unstable angina? A heart attack can happen, no? So nangyari po sa akin yan, I was hospitalized, I was rushed to the hospital, because I was having an unstable angina. So this is actually the proof of that picture, no? So that's, if you can see there, I was rushed at St. Luke's Medical Hospital. And as I've mentioned, 12 medicines per day. Pag uwi ko, ang sabi ng doktor, yan po yung mga kailangang medicines to take, no? I can mention that also. So yung iba po sa atin, the mga former diabetic, or yung iba po sa atin na diabetic, would still be familiar with carvedilol, fenofibrate, insulin, Aspilet, dapagliflozin, losartan, pantoprazole, rosuvastatin, clopidogrel, Bontra, metformin, Victoza, total of 12 medicines every day, no? So yan po yung tinitake ko when I had to go home from St. Luke's. So this was the time that it was the very lowest point of my life because I was 36 years old when I was diagnosed with all these diseases. I wasn't yet 40 at that time, and yet I had to take all of them. No? So yan po, it was a very depressing moment in my life until, of course, in 2018, I stumbled upon a low-carb diet. No? So doon po tayo nagsimula. The low-carb diet wasn't the first diet I've done. I've done, sino po dito nakakaano ng Cohen diet. You've done the South Beach diet, no? So yun po yung mga trinay natin, but never successful. So nung nakita ko yung low-carb diet, sabi ko, parang kaya ko naman. Kasi parang tatanggalin yung rice, pero pwede ako ng mga ulam and all, no? So yun po yung ginawa ko. So yan po yung mga, I did the low-carbohydrate diet in 2018. Yan po yung kinakain ko, no? 6 MAD a day. Why do I say 6 MAD? Kung meron tayo TMAD, OMAD, ako 6 to 8 MAD. I had my breakfast, I have my AM snack, I had my lunch. Sino po dito mahilig sa fully loaded meal ng KFC? Yan po yung tinitake on lunch. Oh, si ma'am, di ba? Kasi yung fully loaded, may 2-piece chicken ka na, may rice ka na, may mashed potato ka pa, may soup ka pa yata noon, di ba? Favorite natin yun, ma'am. And of course, I had my merienda. Kung sino po dito, taga Makati, alam niyo po yung Jolly Jeep, di ba? So sa Jolly Jeep, magpapabili ka ng kwek-kwek, squid balls, spaghetti, lahat. So pag umu-order yung mga staff ko, sasabihin ko, sige, bilan niyo ako ha, sabay ako sa merienda. And of course, I had my dinner part 1 and dinner part 2. When I did my low-carb diet, no, of course, I did my intermittent fasting also at the same time. I skipped my breakfast, my AM snack. I retained my dinner and I also retained my lunch until such time na nakayanan na po mag-OMAD. No? So yun po yung journey that I took when I was doing my low-carbohydrate diet in 2018. And ano naman po ang naging results, no? The result is, in 3 months' time, from 12 medicines to 0 actually today. And up to date po, 0 na po. No, I'm not taking any medications. And I was able to reverse the liver fibrosis in 1 year. When I did my elastography in St. Luke's, actually doon, di pa ako naniniwala. I did 2 elastography, 1 in St. Luke's, another one in Medical City. My elastography said, my liver doctor said, the next time we see each other, Anne, we have to see each other when you're 50 years old. So yan po. And of course, my unstable angina, I think my heart is doing well, no? Because right now, I'm already doing some Muay Thai, nakakapag-boxing. So I think it says that, oh, maybe I'm not a candidate for the unstable angina. Okay. So yan, no? Ansel Danya 2.0, this is me, no? When I was 230 pounds. So may picture pa ako dyan with Jollibee, right? So yan po. Okay. And of course, ito yung isa sa mga favorite picture ko. Who wore it better? Same shirt, different lifetime. Di ba? Masarap po yun, parehong shirt, pero sinuot natin na magkaibang lifetime. Di ba po? So yun po yung mga nangyari and the things that were able to help me, what actually happened when I did the low-carbohydrate diet. Okay. And of course, at that time po, my purpose was only to save my own life. Remember po, I was diabetic, liver fibrosis, almost going to go through a liver transplant. And now, of course, my purpose has actually been changed to serving others. Now, I think there is a reason for all of this, right? Hindi lang naman po tayo nagnenegosyo or anything. I think most of the time, when you have gone through something this kind of redemption in your life, no, it is meant to serve also others. And that is the reason why the journey of Perfect Match Low Carb Selection started po. But before I tell you, before ko po i-continue about Perfect Match Low Carb, I want to go for another contest for an OMG cash for Sir
Andito ako,
Coach Hernan. Nasaan ka? Okay. Meron na ba tayo na pila? Sir, pili ka naman daw dito or ano? Yung mga nagtataas ng kamay.
Teka lang.
Pili ka ng mga nagtataas ng kamay, sir.
Ako lang to, teka lang.
Okay. Ay, nawala. Blank ka ba? Kasi I like you alat. Nawala po? Okay. Ay, namatay. Okay, patapos na po yung ating Ano po ang sagot? Ay, nawala yung presentation.
Nawala.
Ay, nawala. Ano po sagot?
Hindi naman.
Asin ka ba? Because I like you alat. Iyon po. Okay. Ay, ano?
Meron pa ba, ma'am?
Check lang po natin. Bigla nagkaroon ng technical glitch. Sayang, pinakamataas pa naman yung last question.
Hindi. Paano yan, ma'am?
Ay, hintayin lang po natin.
Antayin
Okay.
natin.
Apo. Nagsimula po tayo sa palaman, no? Nagsimula po tayo sa spreads. Bakit po spreads? Kasi po nung nag-start po tayo noong 2018, if you remember po, yung mga unang tinapay is made of coconut flour, no? Hindi katulad ngayon, ang dami na po nating mga magagaling na baker na masasarap gumawa ng ating mga low-carb bread. So because yung mga tinapay medyo mahirap-hirap lunukin at that time, gumawa po ako ng palaman, no? So, and because of that, nagkaroon po ako ng, after that, of course, after the spreads, we had also the other low-carb products. Now we developed sauces. We developed also heat and eat meats. We also developed chips, granola bites, and more than 200 products also from Perfect Match low-carb selections.
Pansit Canton.
Okay. And then also at the same time, also we created our recent innovation, yung pong sapin-sapin and sa gulaman, right? Okay. Sir, magpe-play pa po ba? Ano pong ano? Or... Okay. So last question na. Sige na nga.
Hulaan
Hindi ko
na lang,
man
ma'am.
din memorize yung question. Blank ka ba? Kasi kapag kasama kita, memorize ko pala, feeling ko, lucky me. So kung dumaan kayo sa aking booth kanina, alam nyo yung
Babalikan
product
ko
na
si-
yun. Yes po.
Mayat Mojares po.
Yes po, ma'am. Ano pong sagot natin sa final question?
Pwede po ulitin yung question?
Okay. Repeat po natin. Blank ka ba? Kasi kapag kasama kita, feeling ko, lucky me. Yes po, any? Ma'am, dito na lang si ma'am.
Try again.
Redo. Dito si ma'am kanina pa siya. Nag-raise ng hand. Yan.
Pangalan po, ma'am.
Julie Tuason. Pansit Canton.
Pansit Canton. Congratulations, ma'am. So that's our final contest for today. So if you're interested to visit our booth, all of our products at Perfect Match Low Carb Selections is at 10% discount po for today. So thank you so much, and I'm really glad to be sharing my journey with all of you. Kasi hindi nakita yung last slide. So I'll just finish my presentation with the last slides a while ago. As I've mentioned, the journey of Perfect Match started with my health journey. And of course, we started with the peanut butter spread. And now we have more than 200 products, no? From the sauces, easy bake mixes. We also have the meats, heat and eat meats and ready to cook meats. We also have different chocolates, dressings, cereal clusters, peanut brittle and all. And sapin-sapin, sagugulaman, chips, Savor, no? So yan po yung mga, all of these things are actually we did because we felt like it is also our duty, no? Being a low-carb practitioner also. And, yan. In 2023, we also launched the Perfect Match Low Carb Basics. And the Low Carb Basics is, the purpose is make your environment stronger than your willpower, no? So yan po, we actually launched the Low Carb Basic Essentials, replacing your sweeteners, replacing also having yung mga nuts, no? Yung mga different coconut oil, collagen, monk fruit, erythritol, and many others. So these are the things that we've launched. Together also with the shirataki noodles, so we have different kinds of pastas, no? From lomi, ramen, spaghetti, fettuccine, spinach noodle, penne, and lasagna. So these are the products that we have created. And, ma'am, natapos mo na. Ito yung sanang question, but of course, ikaw ang nanalo. Ito yon, di ba? Ang diet joke for 2,000 pesos na sagot na ni ma'am. Congratulations. Ang sagot natin is, mahilig ka ba magluto ng pansit canton? Kasi pagkasama kita, feeling ko, lucky me. Di ba? Ayan. So congratulations. But of course, we have Pansit Canton and Perfect Match Low Carb Selections with flavors of chili mansi, chili garlic, and also classic. Yeah. For those po na hindi nanalo, you can still have some, you can still join some of our contests to win 1,000 worth of Perfect Match products. You just go to our booth, meron po tayo dyan, and dun po sa labas, you just take a picture or a standee with Chef Ave Baile and put it on a hashtag sa inyong FBI stand Chef Ave and Perfect Match, and we will do a random choice of who will be the winner for this contest po. Ayan. And what, of course, before I leave the stage, what I'd like to share to you what our not-so-famous clients po say about Perfect Match. So ito po yung ating gustong i-share. Celebrating also our 5th year anniversary this coming October. As I've mentioned, our role, our mission is actually to add a dash of happiness, a sprinkle of playfulness, and a whole lot of deliciousness with our products. So thank you so much po. You can visit our booth, and these are our contact details. No? You can follow our page at Perfect Match Low Carb Selections in Facebook. We have our Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and our Instagram, and also our own website po. And 10% off to all our products in our Perfect Match booth located there and also outside po. So thank you so much. Of course, spread the good without the guilt. Thank you so much again for the organizers and to everyone.
Hello mga Kanutri friends! Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. So ako po si Ann Guzon. Ako po yung founder ng NutriFinds and co-owner po ng NutriFinds. Ayan. So ma-share ko lang po sa inyo na yung experience kung paano po namin na-found out si NutriFinds. Actually, nung way back 2016, nung nag-start po akong mag-keto, parang feeling ko, ako yung mag-isa lang dito sa Pilipinas na nagkikito. Feeling ko noon, parang ako nga yung unang nagkito dito sa Pilipinas. Pero feeling ko lang naman yon. Kasi way back 2016 nga, sobrang hirap talagang maghanap ng almond flour, ng erythritol, ng stevia dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi kagaya ngayon na one click mo lang sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa Facebook, pwede ka lang makabili. So doon nagsimula yung mission ni NutriFinds na yun doon sa where healthy choices are made. Ayun, kaya doon siya nag-start kasi nga sa sobrang hirap ko noon maghanap ng mga products. Ngayon naman, mag-give back naman si NutriFinds na mas mapadali sa mga Pilipino na hanapin yung mga ingredients na yon. Ayun, actually, simula 2017 hanggang ngayon na 2023, we've been serving Filipinos for for almost 6 years na. Actually, the other exhibitors here are long-term clients na rin. So, we've been a trusted brand na for this industry na. So, sa keto at saka sa low carb. Ayun, so medyo kinakabahan tayo ng kaunti. Pero ayun, thank you so much po sa pag-support nyo kay NutriFinds and we hope na tuloy-tuloy po kayo sa pag-support din kay NutriFinds para yung aming mission po na mapatuloy po yung pag-provide ng mga healthy ingredients sa mga Filipinos nationwide ay maituloy-tuloy lang po. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Have a great day.
Good afternoon! Lahat na yata nang pumasok dito, napakataas ng energy, so hindi na bago yung pagpasok ko, no? Magandang tanghali po sa kanilang lahat. It's so nice to see you all in person. Ang gaganda niyo pong lahat. Hello! Totoo pala yung sinabi ni Dr. Rojo, no? Nakakaganda talaga ang low carb. Sino po dito nag-a-agree na pag naglo-low carb ka, bumabata ka ng 20 years? Taas ang kamay. Wow! Gandang-ganda sa sarili, mami. Tama naman po, di ba? Sabi nga namin ni Doktora, ang tawag dyan ay low carb beauty. Anyway, it's so nice to see you all today. And why don't we congratulate ourselves, di ba? Na we discovered low carb diet. Talaga namang it transformed so many lives. Let's give ourselves a big warm round of applause. Yes, di ba? Sa lahat ng may testimony. Galing. And not only that, let's also congratulate the organizers of this event kasi masarap naman talagang makamit at makasama ang mga taong kapareha mo ng advocacy. Tama po ba? Lalo na yung mga mag-isa lang sa bahay tapos maraming kontrabida. Pero pagdating dito, maraming kakampi. Tama po? Alright. Excited na po kayo today? Ayan, so we are from Burp Low Carb Deli. My name is Meg Zapanta, and together here with me is TJ Rosario.
Hi! Hello, hello, hello! Naririnig pa ba kami hanggang likod? Hello! Kaway naman yung nasa likod. Ayan, hi! Hello! Ayun, well, we just want to take this opportunity na magpasalamat, of course, to our Lord Jesus Christ for giving us the opportunity to be in front of every one of you. And sobrang thank you dahil napakaganda ng weather today. At kagabi, nagsimula na naman umulan. But I know a lot of us prayed na magkaroon ng magandang weather today. So, welcome to the venue. And I'd also like to introduce myself. I'm TJ Rosario. And again, together with Meg Zapanta, we are the owners of Burp Low Carb Deli. Ayun. Siguro i-share lang namin sa inyo yung naging personal journey namin, no? Because I know that I think some of you are thinking na we are still young kung bakit kami nagsa-start na mag-low carb. 'Di ba? Meron na ba silang mga sakit kaya nila ginagawa to or ganyan? But ayun, honestly, we started Burp way back in 2020
at the height of the pandemic.
Yeah, at the height of pandemic. Ayun, hindi dahil nagkaroon kami ng COVID or anything ha, but it was I was 27 years old that time nung na-diagnose ako na I was pre-diabetic. So, at that time, I was 75 kilos, no?
Yeah.
75 kilos ako that time. And you were?
Almost the same.
Almost the same. Ayun. Naglalaban kami sa pataasan ng kilos.
Yes.
Ayan. But during that time, ang dami kong tinry na different types of diet. Siyempre na, ang daming nai-introduce sa atin eh. So, andun din tayo sa point na nalilito rin tayo kung ano yung susundin. But then again, we started doing low carb or we started our low carb journey. And yun yung talagang nakita namin that really worked for us. And also, hindi na rin ako pre-diabetic. So, ganun yung naging sarili kong journey. It was very personal to us, to me and to her, to us. That's why we came up with Burp Low Carb Deli. Not only for us to benefit from it, but also for everyone. Especially that we all want to enjoy desserts. We all want to enjoy sweets. Ayan. So, we came up with Burp Low Carb Deli para alam namin na lahat tayo mag-e-enjoy. And we all know that we all have one thing in common here, and that is to take good care of ourselves and of our bodies.
That's right, TJ. Pero bago ko makalimutan, sino po dito ang mga kumain na? Ayan, kamusta naman po yung mga pagkain? Good? Isa pa? Pwede pang umulit pag may natira mamaya, kung kaya nyo pa, no? Mabigat siya sa tiyan, kahit konti lang. Sana na-enjoy nyo po yung pinrepare namin for you, pati yung salmon. Yung mga nakakain po, masarap po. Thank you, Mami.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. But just to make it quick, sino ba si sino ba si Burp Low Carb Deli? Bakit ang bata ng mga nasa harapan ninyo? Actually, mahilig kami kumain. Kaya lang, alam naman nating lahat, pag puro kain lang, walang mangyayari sa atin. So, kailangan medyo scientific yung pagkain natin. So, kami ni TJ, mahilig kami mag-experiment talaga sa food. Kaya naman po, when you go to our booth, even dressings, even ketchup, even pizzas and pasta, talagang ginawa namin ng paraan pati para maging low carb. And kami po mismo ang kumakain din sa mga yon. Kasi syempre, para mapatunayan po namin na totoo po yung products namin. Burp Low Carb Deli is catering to most types of low carb. Karamihan po kasi sa atin, pag sinabing low carb, keto kaagad, tama po? But it's not only keto. Maraming naglo-low carb, yung iba dyan, casual lang. Some athletes, actually, marami po kaming clients na nasa gym industry, they are actually eating complex carbs before or after they work out. So, low carb pa rin naman siya. So, lahat po, if you're doing complex carbs, casual low carb or keto or high protein low carb, marami po kaming products na mag-cater po sa kahit anong need po ninyo. Especially high protein. Sino po dito ang nag-high protein diet? As we age.
Or nag-workout, nag-gym, ganon.
Yes, opo. Nag-workout sa bahay, hindi sa reel, sa phone. Ibang workout po yun. But as we age, kailangan natin ng protein sa katawan. Kaya po karamihan ng products namin ay mataas sa protein. Kasi automatic na bumabagsak talaga ang muscle mass. Kaya we really introduce low-carb, high-protein diet. Try niyo po, pumunta po kayo sa booth namin mamaya doon. And of course, we are a company also that is expanding because if you have a good advocacy na alam mo nag-work, masarap siyang i-share. Tama po ba? And so right now, we are expanding nationwide. Ang saya po, dahil hindi available ang low carb sa Basilan. Hindi rin available sa Batanes. Pero lahat ng nakakanood kay Doktora, anywhere in the Philippines, pag nagawa natin yung advocacy natin at sabay-sabay natin na-spread yung awareness, magkakaroon ng availability ng products anywhere in the Philippines. So that's our advocacy. We are currently expanding. And if you want to be a part of our growth, whether as a customer, as an investor, as a reseller, as a partner, please don't hesitate. Nalapitan po kami ni TJ. Diyan, mamaya, palakad-lakad lang po kami dyan mamaya. Ayun po. TJ?
Ayun, we hope that you join us as we expand kasi we not only target those with lifestyle diseases, but we also want to share the advocacy, especially to the youth. Kasi syempre, di ba, it's so much better to start young, especially that we are building habits as we grow. So ayun, hopefully we see your faces later, especially sa booth namin sa Burp. Ayun, hindi ko alam kung mukha kaming mataray ngayon, hindi ko alam, pero hindi kami mataray. We are very much approachable. And again, we would love to have you with Burp, and we would love to have you with our expansion.
Yes, so with that, maraming salamat po, and we hope that you enjoyed the whole day, fun day, exciting day for us. Thank you so much, and see you all in person.
Thank you so much.